Is there an appropriate place to specify class on a stat block? Every time I see a stat block for an NPC with a player class, bard, druid, etc., that class is not specified in the stat block. Is there anywhere where it should be specified when creating a stat block for a villain? Example, Ahmed Noak in the Wild Sheep Chase is a wizard, but his stat block does not include this information.
Usually, only player characters have classes. While some monster stat blocks might have features that are analogous to a player class, they are not of that class. A monster's stat block should contain all the rules for that monster, and typically giving them full class levels would require more space than would be convenient. So, in official books, this simply isn't done. For example, see the Mage MP.347. The Mage is a 9th level spellcaster, as specified by their spellcasting trait, and they have wizard spells prepared, but they are not a wizard. They do not have arcane recovery, for example, or any other class features of a wizard besides their spellcasting trait. Looking further, see the Spy MP.349. This is clearly based off a rogue, with a plethora of skills. Sneak attack, and cunning action. But they have neither thieves' cant, nor proficiency in thieves' tools. Despite borrowing traits from the rogue, the Spy is not a rogue. You can add class levels to a monster, but using the rules on monsters with classes from the DMG p.283, you can add class levels to any monster you'd like. The basic process for this is to simply add the class features from the class of your choice to the stat block. There is no need to add the class itself to the stat block, you've already added the relevant information, what the monster can do. To phrase all this another way, player characters keep track of their classes because they change and grow, and must handle all kinds of metadata to make that happen smoothly. A normal monster does not change, so only the mechanically relevant information is listed on the stat block. Whether the monster is a bard isn't relevant, what bard features it has is relevant.